Hello guys, hey, you're welcome to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to teach you how to create an international TikTok account in Nigeria, in Africa, in just 6 steps. I'm going to show you how you can set up all of this in just 6 steps. So that is what today's video is about. I'm very sure scrolling through your TikTok account, you've heard people saying they are making money on TikTok, and when you tried it, you find out that your country is not eligible to make money. Your country is not eligible for monetization. Or you haven't even heard before that while you're doing what you love doing, while you post those videos that you love posting, you can start making money from it. If you're not aware, then you just found the right video, because in this video I'm going to show you how you can start making money, how you can start cashing out of TikTok, doing what you love doing, and start making money from it. That is what I'm going to show you, even if your country is not eligible. At the end of this video, you will see how to set up the account in a way that you will be monetized. So that is what today's video is all about. If you're seeing my face for the first time, hello, hi, my name is Rachel Nabon. I'm a Nigerian-based YouTuber based here in Port Harcourt. I make videos around making money online, business tips, social media tips, how to monetize your knowledge, how to monetize whatever you do. That is what I create videos around, and also lifestyle vlog. So if this sounds like something that you would love to see more of, and you want to be a part of the family, what you need to do is to please hit the subscribe button to join the family, then turn on bell notification, the bell icon beside it, to get notified whenever I upload new videos like this. So without further ado, I'm going to be taking you through 6 steps on how to set up an international TikTok account. Remember, I said the goal this year is to secure the bag, and we are doing it the legit way. And I am here as your chairperson to update you when there are legit ways, when there are new ways to make money online. Okay, so what are the things you need to, create this international TikTok account? First of all, you need a smartphone, which I'm sure you already have since you're watching me. I'm very sure you have a smartphone. You also need VPN, and you need TikTok account. These are the 3 things that you need to start up this account. Yes, there are a lot of countries that are already earning on TikTok. There are a lot of countries that are already earning on TikTok, and if you check the list, Nigeria is not one of them. Nigeria is not eligible to start earning, which means TikTokers in Nigeria are not earning, except those doing what I'm going to teach you now. And there are other African countries, like we have Ghana, we have most of the African countries are not earning on TikTok, except they are doing what I'm about teaching you now. The countries that are eligible for TikTok monetization include Dubai, US, Canada, and few other countries. There are about 9 countries like that are eligible. But today, even if your country is not eligible, I'm going to teach you how to do all of that. All right. So, you already have a smartphone. Let's talk about the VPN. So what are the VPNs we are going to use, and what is the essence of this VPN? You can download that VPN or Windscribe. Okay, so both Android users and iOS users can have access to this VPN. I mean, if you're using an iPhone or an Android phone, you can use this VPN. It works on either of the phones, so you can use any of these VPN. So for the sake of this video, we are going to work with one, which is Windscribe VPN. I'm going to show you how to set up your Windscribe VPN. Just go to your Google Store or your Apple Store and download Windscribe. Yes, what is showing on the screen now, this is the exact one I want you to download. Yes, download it and let's set it up together. So I will just go to my Windscribe app on my phone and click on get started. So if you have an account already, you can log in, but if you don't, you should click on get started, create an account, input your username and your password, then email address. Right, it's optional, but I will advise you do it so you get 10 gig. Right, if you just create the account without an email address, you'll be given 2 gig to use, but where you add your email address, you'll be given 10 gig. You can verify, you can confirm your email address from your email. Try as much as possible to use a valid email address, so when you need to send your email, you'll be able to receive it. All right, so now we have an account. What you need to do next is to select the country of your choice. So we are working with US Central, and under US Central you pick another city that you will need to use. The reason why we're using US Central is because that city is being paid. So we'll pick Atlanta Mountain. You pick Atlanta Mountain. Then with that, you see that the on icon here will turn green, and it's showing that your VPN is on. So everything is set up, your account is set up, your account is activated for you to use. Okay, now that we are done setting up our VPN, let's go straight to setting up our TikTok account. So how do you set up your TikTok account? I know some of you already have TikTok accounts, and with your old TikTok account, you don't have any problem. You can decide to keep it or you decide to delete it. You can keep it or you delete it. All right. But that's what we are going to do now. Is not going to affect it. If you want to create an international account, you can just leave that one and focus on the international account. And this is how you do it. Just go to your browser, any of the browser, either you use your Chrome browser, your Safari, whatever browser you're using, and search for TikTok. So here is our Chrome browser, and if you search for TikTok, there are a lot of results, but we are working with the first one. So in this first one, we are looking at sign up. So you click on sign up because we want to create a new account. Remember to do it from the browser. Once you click on sign up, it takes you to this page where you have different options to create your account, like different options to create accounts. So we are going to use phone or email, but in this case we are going to use email address, because if you use phone, it's going to use a different phone number, which we don't even have a US number. So we are going to use email address. Input your email address and click on next to create an account. Using email address is very simple. So now you've created the account, you log in with the password of the email address that you just created. So here is my old account. I'll click on Rachel. Yes, Rachel Nabon, and click on add account. So now I'm going to add a new account I just created. So it will take me to where I will need to log in with my email address. If you notice, there's a place written Nigeria here. So you click on the Nigeria and make sure you change it to US, right? So you input your email address that you use in creating the account. The verification code will be sent to your mail. Go copy it and paste the code there, and voila, you are logged into your account. So this is how it works. Now you are done creating a TikTok account, you need to move down to the next step, which is how to know your account is an international account, how to know your account is the kind of account that you can start earning from. What you need to do next is to click on the three bar at the top right. Then you see creators tools. Click on creators tools and you will see monetization. You also see subscription, you see creators marketplace, you will see work with artists. So if you're seeing all these things I'm mentioning under creators tools, that means your account is set for monetization. That means your account is an international account and you can start earning on TikTok. So now that we know about this, next is what are the criteria for monetization? What are the requirements that you need for you to start earning on TikTok? What are the requirements? First of all, you need to have over 10,000 followers. You have to have 10,000 followers. Then you have to also have 100 views on your videos. I mean, all your videos, 100 views in the last 30 days, and you should also be above the age of 18. So these are the three criteria that you need to meet to be able to start earning on TikTok. But that doesn't mean that you cannot start having other rewards on TikTok. The monetization is YouTube. The monetization, hey God, YouTube have entered my mind. The monetization is TikTok paying you directly, right? That is what you need these three for. That is the 10,000 followers, 100,000 views in 30 days, and must be above 18. But aside that, there are other rewards. There are subscriptions, there are work with artists. You can start having brand deals even with 2,000 followers, even with 1,000 followers on TikTok. So all you need to do is to start creating your content, posting them, be consistent, and you see brands start approaching you. I've seen someone that had 1,000 followers, and she started receiving free gifts from brands to promote it for them. So that is how it works. So while you're waiting to meet up this criteria, you should be creating so you can have brand deals like that, just like the way we do it here on YouTube. All right. If you also want to learn how to create a YouTube channel and monetize it, you can send me a DM. You can follow me on Instagram at Rachel Nabon, or just drop a comment to let me know, and I will show you how to do that. Or you can also enroll for my course. I have a course on that will teach you, and after that you have access to mentorship from yours truly. Okay, we are still on TikTok, right? So let's continue with how to avoid being banned or your account deactivated on TikTok after creating this account, right? These are the things that you need to do for you to stay active, or for you not to get banned on TikTok. One of it is post original content. You should be ready to create your own content. You should be ready to create your own original content and you post. If you keep posting original content, your videos will be monetized. You will start earning from your videos. Secondly, do not post other people's content. Don't go and do copy and paste, like you download other people's video and come and post them. No, don't do that if you want to earn money. But if you don't want to earn money, you can do any of these things I'm saying. But if you want to earn money, make sure you don't post other people's content. The third thing you need to do is to avoid duet. Do not duet. Do not duet. Any temptation to duet, avoid it. And the last is, don't switch to business account. Do not switch to business account if you want to be monetized on TikTok. Except you don't want to earn on TikTok, then you can switch to business account. I hope you're getting value in this video. If you're getting value in this video, please can you give this video a thumbs up? Like this video so more people get to see it. Copy the link and share with other people. I'm going to post the video too on my TikTok account. You can follow my TikTok handles. All my handles are in the description. Follow me on TikTok. Follow my new account. I just created my account yesterday and I don't even have followers for now. So follow my new account, my international account. Let's do this. While you're supporting me, I'll support you too. Share my videos to those that might need it. Okay? So I have to stop here. If there's another video you want me to create, let me know in the comments. Just drop everything in the comments. And if you try this and it works for you too, also let me know in the comment section. For now, I have to stop. Bye.